This is why I come often, is to keep the pressure. You heard what they said. They said as emergency entrance is on the right. Yeah.
Radiology, laboratory and radiology on the right.
We will have a small ramp here and a room for the guards and ambulance.
Okay.
Mr. Ambassador, would you like a group photo with Sinjar Mountain and the hospital?
Yes, good, very good.
Yeah, yeah.
But as we heard an hour ago, there are Yazidi and Muslim workers here working together to build this hospital, which I think is also a very positive message.
No, I mean, Yazidis are very peaceful people. They're very hardworking people, and they have no issue with anyone who didn't join us. You know, they are friends, they are working together, they live together, and I mean, it's not that they are welcoming anyone who was forced to leave Sinjar too. And I think that is important to remember.
اولا كده قريبات چه مدرسه اجبرت
بس شبارو بالشغل
I have my shop over there.
Okay, shop of what?
Of vegetable and fruits.
Okay.
So it is me and my brother who are taking care of that shop.
Okay.
And so we need you to support us actually. So
But come, we take a picture at your shop and then we go.
okay.
بدي تشيكي دقر بدي تشيكي چه مدرسه وان
نه
بدي فوق وان نه تساقي داد بيت چه مدرسه داد بيت بيا چه
تختور
هي she wants to be a doctor so
A doctor.
okay انا مثل شبر واقعا هذا ما زنت بيت چه دوامل وي okay
The new doctor.
yeah
Bye bye, doctor.
Dr. Maisa yeah
Dr. Maisa.
yeah
Okay, where is your shop? Where
Yes. Yeah.
Not far, huh?
Yeah, no.
hi Sean back
No, no, not far.
حتى فصل عمل وشغال بنجازارة أو جنهانة جنما.
كتير شغلي شو الباندرة خلقت بيه بقى
خدي باكجا بناء هذا شيء كري.